Loneliness is not always loud. Sometimes it sits quietly beside you. In the silence after breakfast, in the echo of a room where no one calls your name. As we grow older, especially after 70, the world begins to shrink. Friends pass, children move away, routines fade, and in that stillness, something begins to ache. But here's the truth. Being alone does not mean being forgotten, and happiness, even in solitude, is still within reach. Doctors from the University of California found that older adults who practice specific daily habits, even simple ones, report up to 60% higher life satisfaction and reduced signs of depression. Today we'll share 3 things you can do every single day to stay emotionally strong, connected, and deeply fulfilled, even when you live alone. When you wake up, have something to wake up for. A goal, a task, a ritual. Whether it's watering a plant, writing a letter, stretching for 5 minutes, or calling a neighbor, giving your day a reason makes your life feel alive. According to the National Institute on Aging, seniors who set daily intentions, no matter how small, show better memory, mood, and sleep patterns compared to those who do not. Philosopher from Germany, Friedrich Nietzsche, once said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." You don't need a perfect plan. You need a reason to move. Loneliness often whispers, "No one cares," but connection begins with just one voice, one smile, one reply. Every day, make it a ritual to connect with at least one person, a phone call, a note to a neighbor, a comment on a video. Even a 60-second hello can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and increase oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Harvard's 85-year study of adult development confirmed that quality relationships, even brief ones, are the most powerful predictor of happiness in later life. Philosopher from France, Albert Camus, once said, "Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Just walk beside me and be my friend." Even if no one is beside you physically, someone somewhere still hears your voice. The human spirit was made to build, to paint, to write, to hum, to fix, to cook. Creation gives a soul oxygen. Even if you live alone, creating something every day, a poem, a soup, a prayer, a memory jar, a photo album. These acts give your day meaning and give the future a reason to remember you. A 2022 study from the Journal of Positive Aging found that seniors who engaged in creative hobbies had a 45% lower risk of cognitive decline and reported higher levels of life satisfaction and purpose. Philosopher from India, Rabindranath Tagore, once said, "The butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough. So create, even if only for a moment, because that moment may be the one that keeps your spirit alive. You may live alone, but you are not alone in this feeling. Thousands of others, just like you, are waking up in quiet rooms, looking for warmth in small rituals, and finding strength in routines that no one else sees. Start with one task. Speak to one person, make one thing, and do it again tomorrow. Because even in solitude, you are still worthy of joy." and your story is still being written.